is party time because Willow is ready to compete, but you just have to hope that she understands exactly what's in front of her. And you know she does. She knows exactly what she's in for here. And it's a rare thing to see a competitor with this much of a size advantage, this much of perhaps a power advantage over the babe with the power. As the MEGASUS takes down Nightingale. And if Nightingale didn't realize what kind of an uphill battle this could be for her tonight, well, she certainly knows it now. And Nightingale with a slick move. Nightingale, you know, she's all smiles, all fun, but also such a student of the game. She knows how to use leverage. She knows how to combat a height and size disadvantage. We haven't seen it that much for her in her career, but she's not backing down. Test each other. They might be on even ground here. You can see it on Willow's face. She's feeling something a bit unfamiliar here. And she scores a knockdown using that movement, that momentum to her advantage in a crossbody. Babe with the power strikes first, a 2 count for Nightingale. Looking for the scoop slam, easier said than done. Megan Bayne on the attack. Almost polar opposites personality-wise. You're never going to be able to get a sense of what Bayne is feeling by looking at her face, although she's certainly not enjoying those chops. Runs into some more. Bayne looking for an escape from those shots and gets a cradle suplex for her trouble. Practically perfect, but not enough for Nightingale to get the job done. Not yet. Nightingale again. She's going to do her. She's going to be exactly who she is. Will that serve to infuriate the MEGASUS that much more remains to be seen. A hard collision, and check out this effortless power. Have you ever seen Willow Nightingale manhandled quite like that? That may have just woken the MEGASUS up. Can you imagine Megan Bayne's mindset after being on the shelf for the better part of a year on the injured list, chomping at the bit to get back in the ring, start a new path of destruction as she strikes low and stands tall. What an imposing figure. Nightingale fighting her way to her feet. And Bayne all too happy to meet her. Another deadlift. Nightingale gets a near fall. And Bayne did not like that one bit. The MEGASUS shutting Nightingale down once again. Nightingale trying to fight her way back into this thing. The fans getting behind Willow. Short arm clothesline. Shades of Hall of Famer Jake the Snake Roberts. MEGASUS taking a lot of time, maybe underestimating Nightingale's ability to fight her way back into a battle. Strikes with a standing boot, Yakuza style. Nightingale, is she out? No, she is not out. Bayne looking for that big statement victory. That big opportunity to tell the wrestling world, I am back and more unbeatable than ever. But Nightingale has never met a task that she's truly believed was impossible. She is going to fight till she could fight no more. Big back suplex. And again, Nightingale showing why she is such an inspiration to so many fans, young and old. Her confidence, her happiness, her willingness to embrace life and enjoy every minute of it and fight for what she dreams of. Tonight she dreams of finding a way to topple the MEGASUS, and she is still fighting for it. This is the clothesline, and Nightingale to the side of the dome, and we have got an even playing field now. This great crowd in Poughkeepsie coming alive once again. Check it out on replay. Scores with the Itsugiri. Nightingale finding that moment in time to turn things around, but can she follow up? What's the plan B here? Nightingale, runaway freight train, she scores. And for the first time in this match, it's the MEGASUS who looks unstable. A spine buster from the Babe with the power. Is that enough? No! So close, but yet so far. Nightingale looking to feed off of the energy of her fans. She's gonna give it a go. She wanted the missile drop kick, but Bayne saw it coming. Again, that ungodly power from the Amazonian Megan Bayne. Lancer sent to ring. Are you kidding? And now, the emotion, the frustration boiling to the surface for the MEGASUS. I can't remember ever seeing that from her before. She wants another big power move, but Nightingale catching her third, fourth, fifth. I don't know how many wins she's had, but she is not going quietly into that good night. The powerbomb connects. The shoulders are down.
Here is your winner, Willow Nightingale!